Hello everybody, today I would be reviewing some Disney stamp collection. Yeah, something different. Um, Something that I found across which I felt it is very interesting. I'm not a stamp collector, I don't collect stamps. It is my father's stamps. And my father has been collecting stamps since 1970s. As you all know, the stamp collecting is known as the king of hobbies. So it requires a lot of knowledge. You have to update your knowledge, research about it in order to keep collecting even in the later future. So welcome to my channel, Quinn Talks and Reviews. So welcome back to my channel, Quinn Talks and Reviews. So I would be showing up close the Disney based cartoon stamps. If you have any comments or questions, please do comment below. I would be asking my dad about it and let you know about stamps. Any questions about these stamps? So these are set of 4 cartoon stamps issued by Granada. I'll give an up close look, and I'll give you an up close over here. Okay, so here you go. It is issued by Granada, and here Mickey and Minnie. I'm sure that many are familiar with them. So I'll show you the next one too. Mickey with Pluto. Mickey, 1972 Advanced Passenger Train, British Airways. And here too, British Railways. So these set of 4 have quite similarities. It's about uh, travel in various years. Next set is a set of 3 where there is baby Mickey and Minnie, and baby Donald Duck, Pluto, and I think the grandmom or of Daisy Duck or Donald Duck. Here it's I'll give you an up close look. It's been issued by Antigua and Barbuda. So here it's written, Grandma's use a costume for baby Minnie. How cute is that? And here this is Disney babies string popcorn for the tree. It's Christmas 1986. And we'll take this. And Matilda and baby Goofy bake Christmas cookies. So this is mostly based on Christmas. These sets are based on Christmas. And if you have any inquiries about this, I mean where to find them, or any kind of inquiries, do comment below. I will ask my father and let you know. The other one is a set of 1. It's Walt Disney's How to Play Football, and it shows Goofy. It's a souvenir sheet. So it's written Saint Vincent. I will give you an up close look. So Goofy about stamps. This is how it looks. Yeah. So this displays Donald Duck, Chip and Dale, and one of the triplets. I would give you an up close look. So these stamps are based on Donald's birthday, and it's written, I think it's French. Fête d'anniversaire de Donald Teak. I don't know why they said Teak, because I think they are mentioning Chip over there. His name is Chip because it's also written tick and tack. It, according to me, I know their name as Chip and Dale. But I would like to show you guys a final look. There's another set of 4, and this is also the stamp displays the birthday party of Donald Duck. And here all 3 triplets are there. Goofy is there. Oh, obviously the Daisy Duck is there. This is basically themed his birthday party. That's the final look. The last pair I'm going to show you, the last set of 4 obviously Disney based cartoons. These 4 stamps are based on festivals, I believe, and these are issued by Granada, and it comes in various denominations. And this is a festival, and they are saying that Huey, Dewey and Louie, the triplets, are wearing the costumes for a dance. And let's take this. That's in another festival. Okay, dancing, Minnie and Daisy folk dancing. And this is another festival too, a festival of dolls, Daisy and Minnie. It looks so pretty on this. See the detailing. And the last one, Huey and Dewey floating their boats. Hope you liked the video and it was informative. Don't forget to subscribe and support me and share my videos if you feel it informative. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.